Welcome back to our channel. Today we're discussing different ways to earn money online. We've already covered selling digital products, affiliate marketing, content creation, freelancing, and investing in the forex and cryptocurrency market. But there are still many more opportunities out there, and we're excited to share them with you. Absolutely, one of the most popular ways to earn money online these days is through dropshipping. If you're not familiar with the concept, it's basically where you create an online store and sell products without keeping any physical inventory. You simply purchase the products from a supplier and have them shipped directly to the customer. It's a great way to start a business without a lot of upfront costs, and there are many tools and resources available to help you get started. That's a great point. Another option is to become a virtual assistant. Many businesses and entrepreneurs need help with administrative tasks, social media management, and customer service. You can offer your services as a virtual assistant and work from anywhere in the world. It's a flexible and rewarding career path, and there's a lot of demand for it. Another way to earn money online is by taking surveys. There are many websites and apps that will pay you to take surveys and provide feedback. While it may not be the most lucrative option, it's a simple and easy way to earn a little extra cash in your spare time. That's true. And speaking of spare time, did you know you can make money playing video games? There are platforms like Twitch and YouTube Gaming where you can live stream yourself playing games and earn money through ads, sponsorships, and donations. It's a great way to turn your hobby into a profitable venture. Another way to earn money online is by creating and selling your own physical products. You can use platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon to sell handmade crafts, vintage items, or other unique products. It's a great way to showcase your creativity and make some money in the process. And last but not least, you can also make money online by teaching English as a second language. There are many online tutoring platforms like VIPKid and QKids that connect native English speakers with students from around the world. It's a great way to share your language skills and make some extra money on the side. So as you can see, there are many different ways to earn money online. Whether you're looking to start a business, make some extra cash, or explore new career opportunities, the internet has a lot to offer. The key is to find something that aligns with your skills, interests, and goals. And as always, if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about making money online, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. We post new content every week to help you grow your income and achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you.